So watch video till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Chemistry Nails. Thank you. 1. What is the moment of force? A. L sin theta. B. L cos theta. C. F cos theta. D. F L sin theta. 2. A man in elevator ascending with an acceleration will conclude that his weight is MDCAT 2016. A. Increased. B. Decreased. C. Reduced to 0. D. Remain constant. 3. If we double the moment arm, the value of torque becomes MDCAT 2016. A. Half. B. 3 times. C. 2 times. D. 4 times. 4. Total work done in figure is MDCAT 2017. A. 24 Newton meters. B. 8 Newton meters. C. 16 Newton meters. D. 0 Nm. 5. Work done will be 0 if angle between force and displacement is MDCAT 2017. A. 0 degrees. B. 60 degrees. C. 90 degrees. D. 360 degrees. 6. If mass, m, is dropped from height, h, vertically, F is the force of friction during downward motion and V is the velocity at bottom, following will hold, MDCAT 2017. A. 1/2 mv squared equals mgh plus fh. B. fh equals mgh plus 1/2 mv squared. C. fh equals mgh 1/2 mv squared. D. mgh equals 1/2 mv squared plus fh. 7. Power equals work done per unit time. Which relation describes it correctly? MDCAT 2018. A. Power equals force velocity. B. Power equals force times time. C. Power equals force times time. D. Power equals force mass. 8. Solar energy at normal incidence outside the Earth's atmosphere is about MDCAT 2018. A. 2.5 kilowatts per square meter. B. 0.6 kilowatts per square meter. C. 1.4 kilowatts per square meter. D. 1.2 kilowatts per square meter. 9. Which of the following is statement shows no work is done? MDCAT 2019. A. Pushing a car to start it moving. B. Writing an essay on paper. C. Lifting weight. D. The moon orbiting the Earth. 10. A 1.75 meters height weightlifter raises a mass of 50 kilograms to a height of 0.5 meters above his head. How much work is being done by him? G equals 10 meters per square second. MDCAT 2020. A. 2125 J. B. 2150 J. C. 250 J. D. 230 J. 11. When the speed of your car is halved, by what factor does its kinetic energy decrease? MDCAT 2020. A. 2. B. 1/2. C. 1/4. D. 1/16. 12. Which one of the following force is non-conservative force? MDCAT 2020. A. Frictional force. B. Gravitational force. C. Electric force. D. Elastic spring force. 13. A 10N force moves a body around a circular path of radius 50 meters. What is the work done in completing one revolution? NUMS 2020. A. 314 J. B. 31.42 J. C. 0 J. D. 500 J. 14. Kilowatt hour is the unit of NUMS 2020. A. Electric energy. B. Power. C. Momentum. D. Torque. 15. The food we eat in one day has the same energy as NUMS 2020. Checkmark answers. A. 3. C. 4. C. 5. C. 6. D. 7. A. 8. C. 9. D. 10. C. 11. C. 12. A. 13. C. 14. A.